First thing you do is you put the suction cups on, put it together, and make sure that it's going to spin in the area that you choose. And once you do that, you know the position. Then you take it apart, you take the base. There's a couple of holes here you can use for screws. I use that as my guide, and I drilled 2 holes. I used a little tiny pilot, and I drilled them from both sides so there's no chipping. In this case, I have a liner, and that is a 1024 screw that is 1 1/4 inches long. I'm using wing nuts. You don't have to. You could just use a screw, but I used wing nuts on the opposite side so it would be removable for cleaning. You set your rollers in the correct position. You snap the tray in, and there it is. So this is the finished product, and there's 2 shelves. And they both seem to work just fine. You can go forward and backwards, pull out what you want. So yeah, that's what I've done. Just for anyone that might want to put it in a cupboard instead of in the fridge. There you go.